Peace FM 104.3. Who to meet
Now the status American economy as seven na minu better by na who be American na wakofa banking sector sema betum. But in his conclusion na or some okay nyina he end up with this banking situation because economy bien ho a obetumi aya banking sector enter actually. He knows it. If he does finance, he understands it. In the end, obetumi agi ho achini. Say, and now I can say, I'm so happy. Say, on one kasa, I analysis be what by saying, say, workers bear 2,000. Yeah, kika nema bo mo bear. Now let's all assume because say workers bear 10,000. Now got a fee. Can you compare with 4.6 million ordinary person or tifie akoye na juma or nam jamu abuabu ne sika no de akoto bank? Not the mismanagement of the bank. You are talking about the workers. You forgot to say workers if they are part of the mismanagement. Urefiana, omu kanhubi. The fact that say na bisa say and penny for na the bank na nimu no ade na yanchi wo mu ne ade. Ordinary worker or no bank will be no oh just salary no sa depositors sika na na ejija na omu commission wo no edu bi na editi omuka. It when there's a mismanagement, and you quote about something. I was surprised that I say a banking sector no we have 10 billion for recapitalization. Nanka omo to me nanka buying us so much instead of the government were looking to so akwa 21 billion they are none the ref say bank nanka sa the candidate e kana na umetu ya be na citing one example. Me the nanka me bese me komu or mention any banking idea because asem no an ya ka say court. But you read the report na beto abontin say one bank kra no wakofa 300 million e ya ka da ho it think of it say so we decide say o the another 300 million kra ko recapitalization their manner o refi bank no dey cash 600 ana o refi. So the point is that except maybe the engineering of the economy, no, and the ABR and this 4-star, almost said certain amuntiasio. So almost said that just to get the public on their side. So any a good bank, and now depositors of 4.6 million. The government has to settle them because of the mismanagement of a bank. It been an anxiety, you know. So 300 million. I was on who said. That money is not coming from the managing director or the management of Base Capital. In from bottom, it is coming from ordinary Ghanaian or Nudini Sika Koto for them to manage it well. I know Mako says Ska. So, Usi and Sanko Fasikan Kwanko Senasin, Elgoso Nasin, non Franco Koyadi. And then, ye can once me. Yen beside Jose. Sa loans no mama ya enuti bad loans ni niama na ma bank ni collapse no. Does it stand? Does it able to pay? Say you just access no kra na yeton a ebetumi to access kanana. Ebi kra is not exist. It so for me say you can the true stage of the economy. Mo me yedi mu no kra. Because you can never hide away from a niama decisions that hurt your mind. You can loans I can nana kan I mean Ghana fo nyina nim so we kan o ya bobisia a chain aban bia and this is one is in it who kon uja 122 billion anameboa ahin na uja
120 billion
120 o me say 120 me say o say and 28 122 ni mana
Asamerica na mo ko mo bo say
okay munya botre
into media in the stage of the economy now yedi hu komo no me gidi se Ghana fo nyina anitua in the crisis and American say with all this NDC management na if you see what crisis ana if you see be any crisis and so we suffered unemployment all kind of unemployment situation today even unemployment situation today is better than the NDC and at that time now crisis be any ho. Oh, we can Ebola Ebola
2020.
Na crisis for 1.5 years. Oh, because na crisis in years. Oh, because a pet. Is that how you understand the crisis?
And yes, 6 months.
You see?
You're using that to justify a failure from your government.
Me can you say me now? We can't fail there. Oh, there you are completely incompetent as all. Failure there. Say they be crying now. Kata when in a way. What you say? But there was nothing happen. But because of incompetent mismanagement, and you could do baby, and all those things that you left. The uja ho nyina no ene nanado na mudi abeswa no e we saying a crisis, but still the world are saying that Ghana is the fastest economy growing in the world. Etini nyina e kire anamo a utuo a etese ampa o man no ne hyehyeye adwuma a wo ye no o man no koso saa it will be better for the life of the people. Dana conclusion about parliament there na ye kan ho asemi me about the Minister of Finance. I'm saying the Jamakodu stage beer. Say NDC is funny say a sharing of power. So into they say they will decide. Enipa ya appointing no. They am faden call. And that is what actually is happening now. Now, Yako appointed as Yedun Katia, the Niko Parliamentary Service Board. It's the first time I had to be, and I'm about to be there. The first time I had to be, but we will leave it until say you have further discussions on it. And then Yako appointed Orakin Furata. Food soldiers say, why are you passing all these ministers? Because NKB Asenko Rajon Muhammad appointed because he is their president. And in quote other side no or half your friend is saying or no rule half na another rule half as they have told all their supporters oma catch crowdfunding nyina we have won the election into they say no power sharing into one more appointed back and then speaker and they said the rest of the Parliamentary Service Board because 37 into the panel and they bear approval. It is up to Ghanaians. Say and they witness it. Media I don't have any problem. Hey, Kaya Quran is a majority of parliament because the constitution allows it. Now you're practicing democracy. Emribi Beba, Nana, Emribi Beba, you will have a president, executive president, and the parliament will control by the opposition. But in all essence, the attorney said we have to come together. And for me to follow, Nana, my follow since 1992. Since American governors from 92, from Bill Clinton, anything I mean, question be 92. About being one more or is it said the fourth term, said the second term, said an anadwa bay. Omunya government, executive, and the House. Tembiano, Omunya presidency, the House belongs to the opposition. But Nana, it never bring the government to a halt. And so Sabino executives work closely with the parliament.
Mate.
The decisions are you're taking in terms of say yes, Nana did but we will all conclude to make the nation forward. Say Omujidi say baby aye jinano. Omudie omunkahu. Yamba baby biengua. Government salaries is workers is omo di antungu.
Mate, Chairman, Mamenko Basin tell us na
just a second. The enemy person make can say COVID buy nyina even UK they cut down salaries. They close down companies. Ghana is the only country. What is that worker be why you call say salary.
Matenam ka so hia 1 second me dey ama wa wie. When Dr. Baumia said borrowing was a lazy man's
Peace FM 104.3. Who to me, Taki?